Hey everyone, it's Wendy from Spoko Polish. Today I'm going to explain to you how does our sliding scale payment model work. First of all, let me speak quickly about Spoko Polish. We are more than just a language school. We are a grassroots organization that is aiming to support people who are coming to Poland, and we want to contribute to a well-integrated, more open, multicultural society in Poland. Our work includes developing a new, more inclusive system of teaching Polish as an additional language, being a supportive platform for progressive teachers, running community meetings, and of course, providing high-quality Polish courses which fund our other activities. We came up with this sliding scale payment model to make sure that our pricing remains affordable for you, but to also provide you the opportunity to contribute to our work. There are 5 levels. If you would like to support us, you can always choose to pay at a price level higher than the one you qualify for. Our base level is the market rate. We want our courses to be accessible. That's why we've set the market rate, which is more or less what other schools on the market charge in Poland. However, we focus very much on the quality of our courses and teaching, and we guarantee very small groups with a maximum of 6 students per group. Because we value students who have been on the learning journey with us and want to continue learning with us, we offer a discounted rate for returning students. A returning student is anybody who has previously completed one of our semester courses or somebody who has done over 20 hours of individual classes with us in the past. Another way you can support Spoko Polish and qualify for a lower price is through bringing your friends to our courses. You can qualify for the recruiter rate if at least 2 people recommended by you take our course in the same semester. Those 2 people will also get a discount. To become a recruiter, contact us for your personal promo code, which you can give to your friends directly, or you could publish it on your social media. Currently, the opportunities for migrants or people coming from excluded communities to access free or low-cost Polish language education are very limited. At Spoko Polish, we want to change this situation. Working with the Nomada Association, we offer supported spots in our courses for people in disadvantaged life situations or people who may face exclusion in the wider society. The supported places and our activities beyond running courses are funded mainly through our course fees. Despite offering competitive prices, we are doing much more than standard language schools and offering high-quality learning experiences in which we really care about our students. Beyond this, our team is also full of lots of ideas of things we would like to do as Spoko Polish. If you like what we're doing, you enjoy our courses, you want to support our work, you believe in our values, and you have the resources, we encourage you to become one of our patrons by paying more than the market rate. Your additional financial support will allow us to provide more supported places for people in need and allow our team to continue doing our work and growing as an organization. Our sliding scale payment scheme allows you to decide what level of support you can give to the Spoko Polish project. Please let our recruitment team know what level you would like to be invoiced at this semester. We are very much looking forward to seeing you in one of our courses soon. Thank you.